So equities grab all the attention, right? Big returns, big risk, and the thrill of the chase. But let's be honest, can a portfolio only survive on this? Well, what it really needs is a steady anchor, like fixed income mutual funds. And in this video, I'll share 5 reasons why fixed income deserves a place in your investment portfolio. First reason, liquidity and flexibility. Because see, emergencies don't come with a warning sign. And suppose you need money urgently, but what if your fixed deposits are locked and withdrawing early means penalties? Frustrating, isn't it? So here's the good news. Fixed income mutual funds don't play by these rules. You can withdraw as per your requirements and whenever you need it. No penalties, no strings attached. Second reason, tax efficiency. So, a quick question. Would you rather pay taxes on your earnings every year or let your money grow untouched until you're ready to use it? Because with fixed income mutual funds, taxes are deferred until you redeem the investment. That means your returns compound over time without unnecessary interruptions. Third reason, predictable and customizable cash flows. Now imagine a steady paycheck that is made just for you. Whether you need monthly income for expenses or want a little extra cash every quarter for your hobbies, you got it. Fixed income mutual funds make that easy with systematic withdrawal plans. Because at the end of the day, it's your money. Fourth reason, steady returns. Because you see, when interest rates drop, the prices of bonds go up. And fixed income mutual funds benefit from this big time. This means they often deliver better returns than fixed deposits. So you're not just only getting stability, but growth too. Fifth reason, the investment tool for the future. Because see, as India's financial habits are changing, fixed income investments are stepping into the spotlight. Because they're not just used for playing it safe, they're here to build a solid, flexible, and a tax smart foundation for your goals. And think of it as a glue that holds your investment portfolio intact. Security when you need it, growth when you want it. So if you have any financial queries, here's a number below. You can contact our financial advisors, will definitely help you. And if you found this video informative, you can subscribe because we post these kind of videos every week. And for more finance content, you can watch these videos.